Hello guys, welcome back at Son of the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Roblox low quality bug. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now if you're getting those low quality bug here in Roblox, well, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to go ahead and search for Roblox in your Windows. So go to search here at the very bottom and just type in Roblox. Now once you see Roblox here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically right click on it until you see this pop up here. And you want to go and choose the option here. It says open file location. Now from here, you want to look Roblox player. Now again, you want to right click on it and you want to go and choose the option here. It says open file location. Now from here, you should see Roblox player beta.exe. Now again, you want to right click on it and you want to go and choose the option here for properties. Now under properties, we want to go ahead and go to compatibility. Now under compatibility, you want to look for the option here that says change high DPI settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you want to go enable the following settings. In this case, going to be the program DPI here and high DPI scaling override. Now from here, you can go and click on OK, click on apply and OK to save your changes and see if that actually solves your issue. Now in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF the Inspo. Thank you for watching.